Hi! In this video we are going to see a concept that is widely used when writing code that is called functions. A function is a sequence of instructions that performs a specific task. In order to write a function, we need to use the keyword def, and then we can use a custom name, following by parentheses. Inside the block of the function, remember the indentation, we write the different instructions that we want to carry out inside the function. So the function acts as a box that performs a specific task when it's called. Here you have an example of a function that is called showMessage that performs a specific instruction that is showing a message in the terminal. In this case, the definition of the function provides the instructions that should be executed, but it's important to note that the function requires to be called if we want to execute it. In this case, for calling the function, we need to write the name of the function and the parentheses. So at this point, the execution will provide to carry out the different instructions of the functions. Here you have an example with different prints in order to see the sequence of the different instructions that can be executed. So, at the beginning, when the code starts, here we find the definition of the function, but remember that here there is nothing to be executed so far. So the code goes here, and these instructions requires to print a message. So this is the first message that appears in the terminal. Then we find the call of the function. So at this point, the execution goes here and executes the different instructions of the function. This is to print the message number 2. When the instructions inside the block of the functions end, so the code goes here and continues here at this point. So the next instruction that is carried out is the print number 3. In summary, the use of functions provides several advantages, especially when programming code that is large. In this case, is easily to maintain the code if we write functions, because they act as a block of code that can be executed from different parts of our program. In addition, is a code that is well structured and is more easy to maintain, because we can read the code easily and perform modifications when are needed. Thanks for watching.